want to start selling on Etsy, but you're stuck as to what digital products to make. Today, I'm going to show you how to come up with digital product ideas that you can create from scratch and list on Etsy. Okay, I know one way is to go to Etsy and look for what a lot of people are making money at. Okay, and creating the same thing to sell. But a lot of times I have gotten a lot of people come to me and say, I'm just creating for sales, but I'm not creating from my heart. Okay, and it is no joke that people want what you have. Okay, I'm going to teach you on how you can come up with creative ideas for digital items that you can create and list to sell on Etsy. So let's go. All right, guys, so like I always say, the first place we're going to go to is ChatGPT. Okay, so you're going to go into ChatGPT. Let's imagine that I am a mom, or let's imagine that I am a single lady. Okay, so I am a single woman. Okay, I'm a single entrepreneur. Okay, that also works a 9 to 5. Okay, I would like to create digital products to sell on Etsy for people like me. Generate 10 ideas. And let's see what ChatGPT creates for us. So you can see, guys, ChatGPT has created 10 ideas. Now, not all the 10 ideas will resonate with you, okay? But there is always at least one that will resonate with you. And if you don't find anyone that resonates with you, just ask ChatGPT to generate more, okay? So let's look through this. It's given budgeting and finance trackers. It's given social media content calendars, meal planning guides, personal development worksheets, business planning templates. Okay. And I think meditation and relaxation guides. And I think I like this one that says personal development worksheets. Okay. So let's ask ChatGPT to create it for us. Okay. Create number 7. So here you can see ChatGPT has given us an outline of how we can create this worksheet. So goal setting worksheets, that's the title, and then the description of it. So the sections that you can have: goal description, why is this goal important, steps to achieve the goal, the timeline, resources needed, and then habit tracker. Okay, the title is habit tracker, and then the sections: habit name, start date. Okay, the daily planner, the description, the weekly review. Okay, and this is given like a book. Like this is given like a book, like a book. And we can see that these ideas actually make sense. Okay, there's the self-care planner, there's the mindfulness journal. Now you can create all of this into a single planner, or you can create each of this as a singular digital item that you can list on Etsy. So let's start with the first one. Let's create a goal setting worksheet. And guess where we're going to go? Canva. So we're going to go into Canva, and let's ask Canva to give us a goal setting worksheet. More often than not, Canva always has something. Okay, click on the templates, and you can see we have a lot of goal setting worksheets over here. Okay, now depends on the kind of person you are. You would select a template that speaks to you best. And let me tell you, there are several people that are like you, that like the same things that you like. So don't be pressured to look for something aesthetic. If you want to be colorful, go ahead and look for something colorful. Okay. I personally like this one, the way it looks. So let's go ahead and click on that. Okay, and customize template. All right, so we have this goal setting worksheet over here. Now we're going to customize it the way ChatGPT has asked us. So it's giving us sections, and the sections we can have is the goal description. Okay, why is this goal important? Steps to achieve the goal, the timeline, resources needed, potential obstacles and solutions, and progress tracking. So let's go do goal description. Okay, so we're going to go over here and type goal description. Okay, let's not forget the title. The title is what? The title is Goal Setting Worksheet. All right, so we're going to go here, expand this, move it up, and then expand this. Okay, move it, and then kind of reduce the font so that it will fit. Okay, so we have the goal setting worksheet. Now, no school year, because this is for entrepreneurs. Okay, so we can go ahead and take that out, or you can leave it there. You can just design it however you like. Okay, so the next thing we have is, why is this goal important and steps to achieving this goal. So we're gonna, oh look, so now this one has steps I will take to achieve my goal, so we can leave it right there. Okay, and then the next thing says the timeline by the end of, so over here we're going to just write timeline. Okay, timeline for my goal. Okay, so you have written the timeline, and then the person can go ahead and write the timeline over here. So the next thing we have is resources needed, progress tracking, potential obstacles and solution. So over here I'm going to write resources needed. Okay, potential obstacles. Okay, and guys, you can see we already have something going on here. Okay, I'm going to reduce this. Okay, and I'm going to bring it over here. We're going to bring the goal setting worksheet. We're going to bring the title over there. And I just want to kind of let the title be on its own. Okay, and then we're going to bring this here. Okay, kind of make it smaller. And I'm going to show you what I'm going to do with that. So here we're going to do the progress tracking. Okay. So I'm going to put the progress tracking over here. Let's go to elements and let's type tracker. Okay. Graphics. Okay, so let's use this as progress tracking, and we're going to put it here. Okay, so this will be the progress tracking, and we want the people to know that it's a progress tracker. So click on this, duplicate it. Okay, bring it over here, change the color. This text is in white, so we're going to change the color to hold on, let me close this. So we're going to change the color to, let's change it to, yeah, should we make it that or this? Okay, let's make it a darker brown. Okay, so we're going to write progress track. Okay, so we have the progress tracker bar over here. Okay, and guys, look, we have a goal setting worksheet. We have a goal setting worksheet already, and I totally love it. Now I'm going to be linking this in the description box. You guys can get it for free. You can use it for yourself. Okay, don't sell it. But I love how simple it is and how original the idea is. Like, it is just original, and I love how it turned out. And the fact that you can go into Canva and use an already existing template and just tweak it, okay, makes it easier to create. And just go ahead, download as a PDF, like we always say, and go ahead and list it on Etsy. All right, guys, if this video has been helpful to you, kindly hit the subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, share it to your friend, and I'll see you in the next video. Ciao.